It's Happy New Year's. Hi, how are you? I'm in Miami. Anyhow, we are here in Miami for New Year's Eve weekend. We are here at the, what is this, Pullman's Hotel in Miami. We're near the airport area. It's a pretty nice room. I guess I'll give y'all a tour of the room. When you first come in, I'm walking through the door. There is a closet on this side. You know, basic shit. And then there's a bathroom on this side. Here is the rest of the room.
Thank you. Mommy, thank you.
You're welcome, baby. Hey vlog, welcome back. I just put this wig on. Girl, I found this hair store down here. I'm gonna reference it. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. Best hair store down. Like, I found this Butter Lace HD unit at the hair store, and bitch, I got it for $33. $33. Bitch, this wig go for like $50 on Wig Style. So I was really happy. It's currently molding itself down, so I'm just gonna do my makeup really fast. So I just came to check in with you guys. I was gonna film the whole portion of me doing my makeup, but girl, it's just too much going on. So that's it for right now. I guess y'all just see me with my makeup done and I'm dressed, and yeah, I'm finna head out the door. Y'all, look at all this traffic. Oh my goodness.
Traffic jam.
Yes, baby.
Well, you still gonna fucking go?
Oh my goodness. Oh, people don't give no fucks down here. Oh my goodness, girl, it's so much traffic. Just ignorant. It say we still gonna make it at 11:54. We trying to make it to South Beach to see the fireworks for New Year. So
Mommy.
I don't know. We'll see, y'all.
Mommy.
God damn, this is bad. Okay, y'all, we still running around. We couldn't find no parking spot, but we are. It's officially 12. Yeah. Okay, honk the horn. So it's officially the new year. Woo! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody! We still don't know what we're gonna eat at, and we just driving around. But Happy New Year, everybody! This is such a great way to start the year. Miami is very pretty. It's very, very pretty. I haven't been down here like this, so I'm really happy I came. Miami is really pretty. So now we're gonna find something to eat. I don't know what we're gonna do. I do want to get out of the car and hopefully like look. Happy New Year! Yeah, I do want to like hopefully get out the car. So I don't know. We're just driving around right now. It's about 9:18. Excuse the noise in the background. It's about 9:18 the next morning. We're getting ready to go to the next hotel. I'm just getting up and packing and everything. Don't mind my stocking cap as a bonnet. A bitch left her bonnet in the car downstairs and I just didn't feel like getting it. So So, yeah, I just came in to check in with you guys. I'm finna get dressed, get ready to go, and then I'm gonna check in when we get to the second hotel, cause we have a big day today. So, hey y'all, I wanted to check in and show y'all the lace that I bought that I got on sale. So this is the sensational butter lace, and it is the butter lace unit 1. So yeah, I really like it. I just want to check in and show y'all this. It comes in different colors. Mine is obviously black. Yeah, I don't see black on here. But yeah, I just want to check in and show y'all this. I guess I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Yeah, it's lit. We are currently over here. Be careful. We're at the Bayside Docks. We're gonna do this little boat tour thing. So I'm kind of just trying to get to the location and just see what time we can take our tour, I guess. I already prepaid for it. I got it through Groupon. I don't know what the fuck it was, but I just know that I gotta come and kind of reserve the time we're gonna get on the boat. So that's why we're here. Come in, Nevaeh. Yeah, let me show you. So this is it. It looks absolutely beautiful, and it's such a good day. I was so scared that it was going to be a little, too cold, especially with how Christmas was. It is such a beautiful day today. So, yes. I think this is our boat right there, to be honest with you, but I don't know. We're going to figure that out. I don't know what's going on. They got some bitch patrolling parking places. See, you got to pay for all parking down here. Pay by phone. So that's what we was just doing. I don't know what they got going on, but she out here patrolling tickets and shit. So, where's your daddy? Your daddy looking for his mask. We gotta wait, baby. But yeah, this is where we're at. It's absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, I'll keep you posted. Okay, now this bitch checking our car and shit. Now this is pissing me off. This woman is scanning our tag. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I guess she just confirmed our parking for an hour.
Apple juice, pineapple juice, orange juice, cranberry juice, lemonade, milk, chocolate milk.
I want chocolate.
Chocolate milk.
Okay, I want. Let me get a water, but I also want a margarita.
Like the 2-for-1
Do you have that? Now I want the 2-for-1, but if it's possible, I can get it with brown Jose Cuervo.
Which one is it favorite?
The brown though, like I prefer brown than white.
Kind of already come.
Gold.
The gold one?
Yes.
You can, but it's kind of already come treatment. I mean, you'll be like a 10 on the side. So, yeah. put it in there like mess up the
How much did you try those cost?
I'll have to find out for you.
Well then don't worry about it.
Yeah,
It's gonna be.
because I know that they have it, but it's already frozen and everything. I don't want to pour out probably will mess it up.
Okay, well let me just do that. I'll get some water in the kitchen one.
For yourself. Let me get a one. Sorry, one. For the little one? Top the milk. And a cup of water. Yeah.
Hey y'all, so we're at Chili's. I don't know if you can hear me, the music is very loud. I should have put on some makeup before I left, but I didn't. Okay, so the music's very loud. I don't know if you can hear me, but we just made it to Chili's. We're over here by the Bayside Tours. I really don't know what this area is called, but it's really pretty over here. And yeah,
Yes.
so
Daddy, next year we'll win
yeah.
that one.
So that's really what we're doing right now. It's such a beautiful day. It's such a beautiful day. We tried to go eat outside, but apparently it's a 45-minute way to eat outside. I don't see why, but whatever. So,
Where's one?
yeah, we stopped at Kids Foot Locker, got an array of pair of shoes. And yeah, so it's a really nice holiday. I'm really happy.
Where's one to start?
Where's one?
So, we're just gonna chill and eat. I guess I'll
What they
record a
do?
little bit of that. Once we get our food and stuff, I'll kind of, display all of that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'll be checking in with y'all later. I'm gonna try to get my nails done. I'm still here for a full day tomorrow. So yeah.
2.
And I did. Oh my God, I
11,
scheduled
12,
a bikini wedding. I scheduled a bikini wedding tomorrow, and I'm like, really, not. I don't know why, but I'm just so nervous. And then with COVID,
I did do 14.
I don't know, but I do have a bikini wedding scheduled tomorrow. I think that'll be very
I
interesting.
just already
So,
did 14.
all right, y'all.
Okay.
I'm just gonna eat, and then I'll check in with y'all.
Daddy, let me draw.
Are you finished?
Hey y'all, so we're now back at our hotel. I know the last time you seen me we was at Chili's. Girl, when I tell you that was the worst experience ever. They were so fucking slow. It took us like 45 minutes. We didn't even get our appetizers. Like we didn't get our appetizers. We didn't get anything till like 45 minutes after we sat down, and the quality of the food was horrible. So I rightfully so cussed their ass out. We ended up leaving Chili's. Yeah, we ended up leaving Chili's, and we did a little bit of shopping at this mall. It's called the Mall of Americas. It was just so it wasn't a lot of shit. But we picked up a few things. So now we're at the hotel, and we're getting ready to just chill for a little bit until we go to our boat tour.
Don't open them.
In a
Don't
few
open
hours.
them.
So,
Go inside. Go inside the car.
all right, we got the stuff, so we're finna get the stuff out the car. So, yeah. So we've made it to our next hotel. I'm in the room. I'm trying to put this wig together, and I'm trying to prop y'all up so y'all can see me do it, but I don't really know what I can use. So, cause I am naked right now. So yeah, let me find me something to prop y'all up with and show y'all kind of what I'm doing. We are on the way to the boat tour. I say boat, like I do this because I don't know if it's like a cheesy, like, cheesy little boat tour. I don't know, but we are a little late. We end up missing the exit, and now we're like 10 minutes behind. So hopefully we'll be there within the next, I don't know, it says like 6 minutes. We have to be there before 6:30, and it's currently 6:09. So let's pray we make it. Nevaeh's in the back sleep. And yeah, we're kind of just rolling through traffic right now. I did my makeup, I did my hair. I wanted my hair to lay flat. Like, I didn't want it all big and poofy, so I tried to wet it as much as I can. It's dried down, but it's pretty deep. It looks good. It doesn't look too big. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on right now. I'm probably just gonna like record snippets of the tour because at this point, the way traffic's looking, I wouldn't be surprised if it's really, really crowded. And yeah, so yeah, I did my makeup. I really like it. I use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and like it makes your makeup look really like dewy. I like to use a lot of setting spray personally, but I would not use a lot of that setting spray because you'll get just really oily. But if you use a little bit and use the right amount, it comes together really well. And I think my makeup came out really pretty today. So yeah, we are here just checking in.
Oh, you're so cute. Look at that baby. Hey y'all. We are come here. Hey y'all. We're currently in line waiting to get on the over here, Nevaeh. Stay over here. We in line waiting to get on the little boat tour. I guess they're sanitizing it right now. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I'm trying to yell as loud as I can through this mask. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing right now. We're kind of like one of the first few people here. Not say first few people, but we're in the beginning of the line for sure. So definitely happy about that. Um, yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. We ate. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I'm at the Bayside Marketplace. Um, I just really didn't like the food court area. It was nasty. It was dirty. It was trash everywhere. It was disgusting. So we just got to eat some ice cream over there. We're gonna get on our tour. I'll just show you guys clips on out of just what's going on. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing after the fact. We might just go back to the hotel and chill. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see. We will definitely see. Yeah, hey y'all. We made it on the boat tour. It is really nice. I am not gonna lie. They got little plastic chairs. I kind of took a little snippet. I'm gonna try to show y'all some of them. They got little plastic chairs, girl. But it's nice. It's nice. It's something nice. I personally have never been on something like this. I just thought it was gonna be a little like run down. But no, this is nice. It's well decorated. It's well remodeled. It isn't like an old rusty ass boat. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It's also very, very crowded. So yeah, just come with me. Hopefully everything looks good and good. I think we got a pretty good seat. So yeah.
Islands in the Bay is also known as cruise capital of the world. Ships called the Port of Miami home. They offer you trips from 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 14-day long cruises throughout Central, South America, Costa Mexico, and all the Caribbean islands. Cruise ships are not allowed to leave with passengers since March 23rd of last year until further notice because of the pandemic. Off to the left. De la mano izquierda, señores, está viendo el edificio blanco circular gigante cerca al lado de la American Airlines Arena. Descansa el equipo baloncesto de la ciudad de Miami, los Miami Heats. De la mano derecha es el puerto de Miami, la isla artificial más grande, la bahía de Bixini, también conocida como la capital de cruceros en el mundo. Más de 20 cruceros le llaman casa al puerto de Miami, que no lo parezca en este momento. Cruceros de la compañía Royal Caribbean, Carnival Cruise Lines, la compañía Noruega, Celebrity Costa y Disney opera desde aquí, ofreciéndoles vacaciones de un día, de 3, de 7 hasta 14 días.
Hey vlog, I am exhausted. We are at Longhorn Steakhouse eating. We just got here a few minutes ago. It's about 10 o'clock. I'm tired, bitch. I am very tired. Girl, look at my makeup. It's creasing so bad. This one is so fucked up. I had accidentally stabbed my eye. So, girl, the struggle is real. Everything else looks pretty good. We're just sitting here, we're getting ready to eat, and then we're going home. I'm going straight to bed. I am very tired. It's been very eventful here. A lot of things to do. So yeah. That's what we're doing right now. I'm just gonna check in. I'm probably not gonna talk to y'all again until tomorrow. I have no idea what we're doing tomorrow. I do have a bikini wax scheduled tomorrow, but I really am like scared to go, so I don't think I'm gonna go. But I don't know. Yeah, so have a good night, y'all. It is January 1st, New Year's Day, on Friday, so I will check in with you guys tomorrow, which will be Saturday. So, yeah. Hey vlog, I'm just checking in with you guys. I am in the middle of doing my makeup. It is the next day. It's about 11 a.m. right now, so I am in the middle of doing my makeup. I was trying to record on my camera, but it keeps dying and it's just pissing me the fuck off, so we're just gonna have to resort to my phone. I've literally been vlogging on my phone the whole time, which is like so weird to me because I'm not used to like really recording on my phone, but it is what it is. So since my camera isn't working, I'm just gonna kind of just prop you guys up while I do my makeup. Like I said, I really don't know what we're really doing today. I know I want to go down the Strip, South Beach, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And then yeah, whatever the day takes us. It is Saturday. This is our last day. Unfortunately, tomorrow we will be leaving. So yeah, I'm very sad about that. But overall, so far everything's been really good. So, you know, we pray for a good day today. I wet my hair when I took a shower this morning. I'm gonna go get some mousse because I prefer this to just look really wet, curly. Like I don't really like it to be poofed out and dry. I just don't really like that look. So yeah, I'm just gonna find me some mousse and yeah, so I'm gonna just prop y'all up somewhere while y'all see me get myself together. And yeah. so pissed the fuck off, okay? Nevaeh, get back, please. I am so frustrated. So, tell me why, while we were driving, the tire went flat. Pissed the fuck off. We at some off-market ass tire shop. Don't nobody can speak fucking English. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but I am pissed off. We have been here for 2 fucking hours. Do you hear me? 2 fucking hours. Stop. We have been here for 2 fucking hours. My child's in the back holding her fucking piss. We're aggravated as fuck. Okay, pissed off at this point. No one speaks English. It's 1,000 people here. I don't know who's what. And at this point, now that I'm looking, they've put one tire on. We've had to get both replaced. One of them are on. I'm waiting on the other tire. And then this motherfucker just sitting around here walking around looking just don't give a fuck. I'm ready to cuss these motherfuckers out. Oh, don't do it. Don't cuss them out. Don't cuss them out. You know, and I get it. I'm trying not to be that bitch. And I'm just trying to be comprehensive and just cooperate if we're in an area that we don't know. So we do want to be on the safe side. But still, there's a fine line between, you know, a bitch is pissed. Done today. We literally haven't done anything. We just went to Wendy's earlier and was driving around looking for stuff to do. The tire went flat and now we're here. It's fucking going on 5 o'clock. My nails breaking. I am frustrated. My makeup looks terrible. I'm so irritated. It's fuck. I just want to check in, show you got the vlog. You clearly see where I'm at. You know, I don't know. I guess I don't know. Hey vlog. So it's just me checking in. We ended up getting both tires replaced after like 3.5 hours. Good God. So thank God to that. Once we got the tire replaced, we were just so overwhelmed and just exhausted with the bullshit day we had. So we just decided to get some Chinese food and just come back for the hotel for the night. We really don't have anything planned. We were looking into going to the Broward Zoo tomorrow. Since we are leaving, maybe that would just be a final kind of, you know, thing to do around here while we have Nevaeh. And then we're going to have to go back home, unfortunately. So, yeah, that was my day. Like I said earlier, we went to Miami Beach. Kind of just went by the beach. Just drove around for a bit. In the midst of really just looking for stuff to do. Just sightseeing and stuff. Our tire went flat. And we had to, you know, make it to the tire shop. Wait there for 3 hours, got some Chinese food and came home. So that was pretty much our day. Oh, we did go to the mall earlier. He bought me a purse. So yeah, he got me and my daughter a purse. So that's all. That's all. That is all, honey. Yeah, I'm just so tired of overwhelmed. But I just wanted to come in and check in with y'all. Y'all most likely not going to hear from me until tomorrow. Like I said, I really don't know what we got planned. But today is officially our last night in Miami. So, yeah. You know, it is what it is. But, all right, y'all. Good night. See you guys later. I'm not going to close the vlog here at all. I'm just going to, yeah, I'm just updating y'all. Hey vlog. It is Tuesday evening. It's 8 o'clock right now. It's very late. I'm heading to Walmart to pick up my groceries before the little pickup shit closed. I'm just now getting off of work, so excuse how I look. I do work from home. I've probably mentioned this before, so I'm literally at home all day. Literally, I be looking like a mom. I be looking a hot ass mess. And then it's like I'm really happy that I work from home, but I kind of am just getting a little, you know, just tired and weighed down about just being in the house all day. You know, but I mean, like I said, no complaints. You know, I hope they don't call nobody in the office soon, but yeah, sometimes it just be a little daunting being in the house all day, literally. But it is what it is. As long as I'm making money, all is well. Like I said, I'm going to Walmart. The last time y'all seen me, I want to say it was Saturday. I was in Miami. I haven't really updated y'all since then. Once again, all I do is, you know, work at home. So really, Sunday, we checked out of the hotel around 1 o'clock, and then we just head back home, to be honest with you. Like, I'm about 2.5 hours from Miami. So we came back, and yeah, I am in desperate need of putting my Christmas tree down. So I'm probably gonna work on that within the next couple of days. But yeah, nothing at all, to be very honest with you. There's a lot of content that I plan on recording this weekend, so be on the lookout for that. And now that I've mentioned it, I'm gonna go ahead and just end the vlog right here, because Monday through Friday, Narai Brown does absolutely fucking nothing. I literally just sit at home and work. Like, literally, that's for the most part all I do. I clean up and stuff. So I am going to end this week's vlog here. Do I have any plans? I am going to Atlanta soon. I shouldn't have said that. Because I'm going to surprise my best friend, but she don't know that I'm going. But I'm going to Atlanta soon. So that's exciting. And yeah, my birthday is in March, so I was looking to plan my birthday. I'm definitely going to Vegas this year. That's what I want to do, and that's what the fuck is going to happen. So we're going to Vegas this year. I am a Pisces, so my birthday is March the 4th. I just have to get I like to get the room reserved first, because in my opinion, I feel like that's like the most expensive thing. I mean, flights and stuff, especially with this coronavirus shit, girl, flights is cheap as fuck. So I don't be worried about how to get that. My main concern be the hotel and getting that out the way. So that is it, y'all. That is it. Although I just got back home from a vacation, I'm definitely due for another vacation. Excuse my shirt. It's actually not my shirt. It's my old man's shirt, and it's on backwards, like I say. I bitch don't be doing nothing at all. But this weekend, I'm probably going to vlog there. It'll be on the next vlog. But I want to challenge myself to get 25 looks done in 48 hours, which would be over the weekend, of course, because like I say, I do work throughout the week. So I don't know. I think that's really all I have planned for the most part. So once again, I'm happy y'all tuned into this vlog. Thank you for watching. I miss you guys. I really do genuinely miss making content. I really do. So I hope you guys found this vlog enjoyable. I'm gonna just keep them coming every week and just see what happens, to be honest, because I do watch vlogs. I do like vlogging. I like the concept behind vlogging, you know, seeing what people do outside of their day-to-day life and stuff like that. So like I said, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Until next time, y'all, be safe, be prosperous. It's 2021. Be happy, and until next time, see you later.